Hey, Mike from Donastar here. Sitting in front of a Lancer twin pour unit. Going to show you how to calibrate the valves when it comes time to do so, so we're at the proper ratios. Once you're in your maintenance menu, we would select the maintenance button. That's going to bring up the valve selections that you're looking to calibrate. When you're starting, first things first on an install, we would set the still and carbonated water valves first and foremost. So all you would do is find those in the menu under calibrate on the left side here, then select the one you would like to calibrate. It's going to have a 4-second purge time. You would typically have a graduated cylinder under the nozzle, and what we're looking for in general is a 200 milliliter pour. When you hit the stop purge button, that will run for 4 seconds and stop. Then you would take your measurement, you would check to see where you were at. If you were too low or too high, you would find the appropriate valve module inside the machine and adjust by turning the flow control screw and testing again until you get your proper milliliters. Do the same thing with the carbonated water. Once you got them both set at the same value, then you would go through all your flavor modules and do the same thing. Just repeat the process until you've completed the project. And that's about it.